What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be building this indicator, which is a TDI Trader's Dynamic Index indicator. I think you can download it somewhere for free, but this is just one that I built and that I use with manual trading. And then in the next video, I'm going to use in a strategy that we built. So here it is on TradingView. And so also in this video we're going to go over how to think about it when you're converting from PineScript, which is TradingView code, into Ninjascript. So every strategy or code, if it's available, will have the source code here. So you just click that and open it. So this is what we have. How can I make that a little bigger? Okay, well, I'm not really sure why I can't make this bigger, but hopefully you can read that. So let's open up Ninjascript, and we are going to come up to indicators, new indicator. We'll name this TSI. And then our inputs, we are not going to use any inputs. Then generate, because we're just going to hard code it to how it is coded in in TradingView. So let's compile that. And open up Visual Studio. Now that that is up, let's go to indicators, and then open that again. And now we will start building it. So you guys see that at all? And if I okay, this should work. Yeah, we'll try that. So I'm gonna do half skip. No, that won't work. Shoot, no, I lost it all. All right, so first thing we need to do is, so here you can see we're using an RSI, an MA, an offsetting. Then our upper Bollinger Band is just the MA plus the offset. lower Bollinger Band is MA minus the offset. And we have a middle, which is going to be a MA also, and then a fast MA. So here's everything that we're going to need. So first, we're going to do RSI, MA. Then the offset is standard deviation. Whoa. Which is actually, we don't need that. And then just double off. Oh, wait. Take all that, goes under inside the indicator. Next thing we need to do is on state set defaults. We need to plot everything. So first thing we do is we're going to do add line brushes dot. We'll do, this is just what I have there, and then value at the 30, and then we'll do, you can do Control D, that'll duplicate it, and we're going to put one at the 70. So right now what this does is it plots, just plots two lines on the 70 and the 30. Next, we're going to plot all our lines. So add plot versus dot dark red upper Bollinger Band. So it'll be dark green lower Bollinger Band. Add plot dark orange mid Bollinger Band. Then fast MA, fast MA. Now we start adding the actual code. So first thing, we need to make sure we have enough bars. So if current bar is less than we're going to do 40 because we're just hard coding everything, and we know with 40 we'll have enough. Then we are going to actually here we're going to do else if state equals state dot data loaded, that we're going to create our RSI. So this is a 8-period RSI with a 10 smooth. Not really sure what the smooth does, but that's what I have. Now we're going to create our MA. So we're going to take the value. So hopefully here you can see it's MA, the estimate, but it's based off not on a close, but based off of the RSI. So here you can see the double series that we input. Our series that we're inputting is going to be the RSI. And then the period is 34. Next, we will load in our offsets, which is a standard deviation. So we do off equals standard deviation, also based on the RSI of a 34 period. Then we're going to take the most recent value and multiply that by 1.6185. And this we actually want to do on bar updates. Next thing we're going to do is create our Bollinger Bands. So our upper Bollinger Band so we actually do have inputs. I forgot to put them earlier, but this is the code for the inputs. Just gonna have to copy and paste this, but this will create the values for the what we're plotting. And this, when it's value 0, value 1, that's basically setting the different plots, and then they line up with these. To be honest, I don't fully understand it, but that's what works. So go ahead and copy this and paste this right outside of the onbar update. Then we can come to upper Bollinger Band 0, set the most recent one to MA0 plus off. Sorry about the coughing, but so this is what this is doing, is it's taking our middle SMA and adding the offset distance, which is basically 1.6 standard deviations. Next, we're going to take the lower Bollinger Bands, take MA0 and subtract offset. Then we take the mid Bollinger Band is just going to equal MA0. And then we get the fast MA equals the most recent of a 2 simple moving average based off of the RSI. So this should be all we need. So let's compile this, and this should be all we need to get what is here, mostly. So we compiled that. Let's go to indicators, remove, add. Yeah, here's basically our inputs, I guess. Not really, but here you can control the color, that stuff. We'll do apply, and yep, there we go. Now what I want to add is when the fast MA crosses above Bollinger Bands or below the upper one, then I want to draw an arrow or somehow make it more clear. So we're going to come back to this code and we're going to do if fast, so if cross above, series 1 is our fast MA, crosses above our lower Bollinger Band on the last bar, then we draw sure, draw arrow up. Draw on price panel. Double Y. Should be on 30. Should stop green. Then let's do same thing for across below. So what I think this is going to do, but what we don't want, is it's just going to put it as like a not on the indicator scale. It's just going to put it up here on 30, which is going to be way, going to have to scroll way down. That's what I think it's going to do. But we'll see. Maybe it knows to do it by itself. Okay. So I did it here, which is not what we want. But looks like, yep, that looks good. This one looks good. Okay, so two things we need to do. One, since we would have drawn one here, but since it has the same string name as this, instead of drawing a new one, it replaces this one with the new string name. So the first thing we need to do is create a new string name for every every single arrow that we want to draw. So to do that, let me find where I have the code to generate a random where is it? Okay, here it is. We need to do string name equals this, and then we put name and name. Actually, we can just so now it will generate a random string name for every single arrow. So what we need to do is figure out how to put the arrows on here. So let me figure that out. Actually, I guess I'll just show it. We're going to come here and come to indicators. Actually, we want to do draw. Ninjascript base. Okay, that didn't work. Yeah, this thing kind of sucks right now, but let's see if AI can help us out. No, that's wrong. This name true. No. So it's definitely this that we need to change. Oh, wait. Method group. Um, 1, 2, 3. No, that's not it. It's auto scale. Nice marker. Let's see if that does it. Draw on price panel, since we are drawing. Oh, yep, there we go. And now we also have we're also printing all of them. So, yeah, that was it. It's pretty easy. Only thing I'm going to change is we're going to plot them on fast MA0 plus 10. No, up arrow is going to be minus 10. And then fast MA0 plus 10. And then can I make them bigger? Um, Object. Nah, no need. So just compile that, make sure that works, and that is it for the strategy. Someone in the Discord told me how to make it faster without, or how to reload the indicator faster. Okay, yeah, like that, right? Yeah. And so there we go. Now we have all these arrows telling us exactly when they crossed under. So, yep, thanks for watching. The next video is going to use this indicator to take buys and sells, along with a couple other things I'm going to be looking at. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And that's it. Peace.